Hi, Steve.
Hey, how are you today?
Good. Look who's here.
Oh, hey.
Shawn, and that's Amy. What you guys doing in here?
Just chatting about nothing in particular. Waiting for the big show.
Right, because the
Wondering
bird
where
bear
you
seminar
were.
is going on next door.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are just hanging out.
Got a full house next door. Lots of
Sure
people.
do. Let's see.
You've got your barrel so that the cable goes through the opening in the turnbuckle.
So here's the
You
group.
got it yet?
They're working on adding nets to these little
Anybody do it
square.
yet? Take your ferrule, put it through the cable. You're set. Good job. Put the cable in. Put the cable through.
We have
Opening
Aaron
in
here
the-
from Show Me
And
Cleaning.
then back
Say
through
hi.
your barrel. And fray the cable so you stick yourself up at this now. And then
Larry Sherman
take the
of
middle
Kirby's
jaw of your
Window
gripping
Cleaning.
tool.
Hi.
And did you guys cheat too fast?
Yeah.
Travis.
The middle what?
Got a couple guys
Take the
from
middle
Fish
jaw
Window Cleaning.
and
Hi.
end the barrel up and down inside the crimper and not sideways.
Even Paul Shouse is
And
here.
optimally, you want to crimp twice. Once and then once. The width of the jaw will crimp twice across the ferrule. So here, you're handy and I'm not. Middle jaw. Get it tall in the jaw. Put it all the way and open it up. Tall in the jaw. Do not close it till my finger's out of there.